Samsung aims to reveal and launch its latest flagship smartphones earlier next year. In the previous year, the Galaxy S23 series was unveiled on February 1st, hitting the market on February 17th. According to reports from Korea, Samsung plans to host its inaugural major event for 2024 in San Jose on January 17th. On this day, customers can start placing orders for the phones, and the devices will be available for purchase starting January 30th. If this schedule is accurate, Samsung will successfully achieve its goal of bringing its premium smartphones to the market sooner, positioning the company to compete directly with the iPhone 15 series, which debuted in September. A potential indicator of Samsung's intention for an earlier release of its 2024 flagship phones is the recent discovery of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with the model number SMS928B/DS, on the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) website. Typically, a phone appearing on this website suggests an imminent release, possibly within a few weeks. Furthermore, the Bluetooth SIG website has already confirmed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include the S Pen, continuing the tradition of the Ultra model each year. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, positioned as the premium model drawing inspiration from the now discontinued Galaxy Note series, is expected to feature a spacious 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440x3088 and a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. The phone is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset across all regions, with projections indicating both over- and underclocking capabilities. In terms of its rear camera setup, the device is set to showcase an impressive 200-megapixel primary camera, attributed to the advanced ISOCELL HP2SX 200-megapixel image sensor. The rear camera system is expected to include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera supported by the Sony IMX564 image sensor, a telephoto lens utilizing the 10-megapixel Sony IMX754 Plus sensor for 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera capable of achieving 5x optical zoom. The standard configuration is likely to comprise 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of onboard storage. Powering the device is an expected 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging. Notably, the phone is expected to feature a titanium build, enhancing durability and providing a premium feel. That wraps up today's exclusive preview of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Don't forget to show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming content. Stay connected for more thrilling tech updates. Until next time, see you in the next one. Peace out.